Hi, welcome back. Another very volatile day on Wall Street as the trade war between the United States and China shows no signs of slowing down. After the Dow Jones Industrial Average surged some 1,400 points in early trading, it closed some 300 points down.
Analysts say it's still too early to tell whether the market will recover or not.
Right now, major indices like the Dow, the Nasdaq, the S&P 500 are all down double digits since the beginning of the year, and the entire market is shifting about new developments involving American tariffs.
And News Channel 3's Princess Janae Steverson joining us live in the studio tonight. Princess, you talked with a financial advisor today who has some tips for people trying to navigate this unpredictable situation.
I did, Jess, and when I sat down with him, I asked him all the questions people like you and I are wondering about. What's happening to my money? Is my retirement safe? Should I still be putting in money?
We really approach investing as something that's long-term and that needs to be done on a month-to-month basis. So what we recommend usually is what's called dollar cost averaging.
According to certified financial planner with HFG Financial Group, Jordan Marhefka, that means investing when the market is up and when it's down. If you only invest when the prices are increasing, he says you could make less money overall. Now, what about other investments like putting money away for your kid's college fund or looking to put a down payment on a home?
If it's within the next 5 years, I would look at things such as a high yield savings account.
Marhefka says a high yield savings is great for allowing your money to still grow while avoiding the risk that comes with the larger market.
I tried building my credit as soon as I could and tried to be responsible with finances, but ultimately, again, life got in the way. And
it's advice Shelby Laidler and her friend Nikita Smith are happy to jot down.
It can be stressful, especially with not, really being on my own lately, especially like having to really think more about what I'm spending and like where I'm going, especially with gas. I personally have a Jeep, so that's a lot of gas that I'm putting into it.
In today's market, both women are happy to say that they own a home, but it came with help. Laidler bought a foreclosure with her husband and Smith teamed up with her mom. They also both have 401k plans, which Marhefka says is a great way to ensure a stable retirement. But right now, people are worried about their 401ks. And while Marhefka says it's hard to predict what will happen, he says what you should consider is your age. If you're older,
look at potentially delaying retirement, look at maybe taking less initially, maybe out of retirement accounts. What we recommend when you're looking for retirement is to put together a financial plan to see where you're at.
And for the younger generation,
a 401k or a 403b, investing in that is important. So you usually get a match, an IRA or Roth IRA. So look at just normal things like a brokerage account, which is just a general investment account outside of retirement.
In the end, Marhefka says the best thing you can do to ensure any long-term investment is profitable is to invest continuously with any amount of that is suitable to your current financial situation. Reporting live in studio, Princess Janae Steverson, News Channel 3.